In this video, we're going to take a look at one of the most important research features inside the 47 POTUS application, the Epstein Files Viewer. This tool is designed to give everyone clear, organized access to one of the largest public investigative datasets ever released. To access it, we open Research Tools, scroll down, and select the Epstein Files Viewer. We then click View Files, which opens a unique dome-style gallery interface. Here, we have access to all Epstein-related files that have been released so far by the Department of Justice and the House Oversight Committee. Inside this gallery view, we can preview each file, search through documents, and move between release batches as new material becomes available. Because of the size and volume of these files, there are several important controls located at the top of the screen. Using the Next button, we can move from one batch of documents to the next, allowing us to review releases in a structured and manageable way. We can also filter files by source, choosing between Department of Justice documents or House Oversight Committee releases. When House Oversight is selected, only documents released by that committee are shown. Before diving deeper, it's important to understand the file types supported in this system. The Epstein Files Viewer includes images and PDFs, as well as videos, audio recordings, Excel spreadsheets, and other investigative file formats. Video files can be played directly. Audio files can be listened to inside the app. Excel files open cleanly, allowing you to review structured data without downloading anything. As new files continue to be released, they're added into the system and organized into new batches automatically. Returning to the Dome view, we see all files arranged visually, giving us a broad overview of the entire dataset. If the Dome view isn't your preference, you can switch to a List view, which presents all files in a more traditional linear format. Both views are fully functional and designed to support different research styles. One of the most useful features is the ability to mark files as favorites or as read. Given the size of this dataset, this makes it easy to track progress and return to important documents later. You can also filter the view to display only your favorite files, so everything else temporarily disappears. Search is another powerful capability. For example, if you want to find documents that mention Trump, you simply type the name, and any file containing it is instantly highlighted without opening the document. This search runs locally within each batch, making it fast and responsive. When opening a document, you can also view the extracted text. Readable text from images and PDFs is automatically pulled out, making it easy to copy, review, or analyze. One of the most advanced features in this system is natural language search. Instead of searching by keywords, you can ask full questions. For example, when did Bill Clinton start communicating with Epstein? This query is processed on the server, and the system returns the most relevant documents across all batches. Related files are assembled sequentially, helping you build context and follow connections over time. Because the volume of documents is so large, manual analysis would be extremely difficult. This system does that work for you. Now that we've explored the gallery view, let's take a closer look at the Files tab, one of the most practical parts of this experience. This section is designed for people who want to go deeper, organize their research, and work efficiently across sessions. Everything you see here is still part of 47 POTUS, and it's built to handle large investigative datasets in a way that actually makes sense. Inside the Files tab, documents are organized by file type, making it easier to focus on exactly what you need. You can filter to show only videos, only audio recordings, only spreadsheets, or any other supported format. Each file can be previewed instantly. If you're reviewing documents over multiple sessions, you can mark files as read so you always know what you've already covered. You can also mark files as favorites, making it easy to return to important material later. Once a file is favorited, you'll see a clear visual indicator, and you can filter the entire view to show only saved items. This makes long-term research far more manageable. Because of the scale of material released, trying to manage this across folders, downloads, and external tools would be overwhelming. The Files tab in 47 POTUS keeps everything in one place, organized, searchable, and easy to return to. Together with the gallery view, search tools, the favorite system, and natural language search, the Epstein Files Viewer provides both a broad overview and detailed control over one of the largest public investigative archives available. If you want to explore these files yourself, visit 47potus.us, open the Epstein Files Viewer, and take control of how you explore public records. This is 47 POTUS, clear, organized, and built for serious research without the noise.